To keep Dustin cleaning at his best, it's best to regularly clean his filters, dustbin, brushes, sensors, self-emptying charging station, and front wheel. We recommend cleaning the dustbin and dusting off the filters about once a month. Start by removing the dustbin. Open the dustbin by pulling and dump out any dust residue inside. Then wash or wipe the dustbin and air dry all parts completely before putting them back together. To clean the filters, open the filter cover on top of the dustbin. Remove any congestion inside. Then remove and dust off the filters. Filters should be replaced about once every 6 months. We recommend cleaning Dustin's brushes about once a week. You have to flip Dustin around and remove them completely and the parts that hold them in place. Use a soft surface to protect the slam lidar when flipping Dustin. Remove the side brush. Clean it thoroughly using the cleaning tool. If necessary, use a pair of scissors to clean out hair wrapped around the brush. Don't forget to clean the side brush socket too. You may use a pair of tweezers to clear out any congestion inside. To clean the main brush, you'll need to first remove the brush gate. Pinch the tab and lift. Remove the main brush and clean it from end to end. Don't forget to clean the brush gate and brush compartment as well. Again, you may use a pair of scissors or tweezers to help remove hair or congestion. We recommend removing and cleaning the front wheel about once a week. To remove the front wheel, you'll need a flathead screwdriver. Using the screwdriver for leverage, grip the wheel firmly and pull. Once the wheel is removed, use the screwdriver to pry out the wheel assembly. Clean the wheel, wheel assembly, and wheel socket thoroughly. When done, push down and lock the wheel onto the wheel assembly. Then push down the assembly onto Dustin. We also recommend wiping down the sensors when dusty. Using a soft cotton cloth, wipe Dustin's edge sensors, charging plates, bumper, and cover of the lidar. Avoid touching the inner parts or inserting items into the lidar. Wipe the charging nodes and Dustin's station. Wipe the charging nodes and transmitter window on Dustin's station. Inspect the disposal vent to ensure smooth flow of air and clean any dust residue. Depending on the amount of dirt and debris Dustin collects, the dust bag should be replaced once every 2 to 4 months. Open the lid on top of the station and pull up the cardboard card to remove the dust bag from its container. This helps seal the dust bag so dust and debris cannot escape. Discard the used bag. Inspect and clean the dust bag container from any debris buildup or any blockage for free flow of air. Insert the new dust bag, sliding the card into the guardrails completely. Dustin's battery comes with a 2-year warranty, but its lifespan can vary depending on its use. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to open the battery compartment. Slide the battery out and unplug it. Plug in your new battery and slide it back inside Dustin. Reinstall the screws when done. Don't dispose of old batteries. Please recycle them through your local recycler. Keep Dustin cleaning at his best by following a weekly cleaning schedule.